It's time for the RV show. And so we're excited about this one. It's one of our favorite shows of the year. If you're a serious RVer, everybody makes this particular show. It's a good one. And so we'll be there again this year, as we have been every year. And this year we're doing free seminars every day. What are the seminars about? It's about traveling in an RV with firearms. And we know from experience that all of us RVers, almost all of us, if we're traveling in the RV, we're probably traveling with a firearm. Why would we get the RV? Because we want to travel. Where are we going to travel? Probably across state lines. Once we leave Washington state, get to other states, different permitting for different states. And so we cover all those states and all those permits that you're going to need if you're going to travel in your RV. The information is all done for free in our daily seminars at the show. And so please join us at the show. Show opens on a Thursday and runs Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Look forward to seeing you then. See our show schedule there in the email, and we'll see you inside at the show.